My name is Danny Warpel. I'm with Spectrum Landscape Services. I'm a project consultant. And here we are in Fishers, Indiana, with a pool, Latham pool, that fiberglass system that Permapools has put in. And the concrete's been poured. We're here putting in some emerald green arborvitaes. This particular variety is 5 foot. You can see that we're lining the pool around the sides there for privacy. Over here, we have a footer that's been poured, that when we come back, we're going to be putting in a outdoor kitchen here. We have the gas line out ready for the kitchen to be installed. Let's take you over here. Just follow me over. We have some bobo hydrangeas being put in out here, another bed for a little bit of privacy, a little bit of decoration coming off the screened-in porch off the back of the house. We have some more bobos over here and some green gem boxwoods. We have a bed over here on the side with emerald green arborvitaes, and that's for privacy as well. The concrete that you see here around the pool, this is a salt finish, and you can see that the concrete has little pits in it. And what they do is they pour the concrete, they put a finish on it, they put the salt down in it, and then they trowel the salt into the finish. And then after everything's dry, they hose it down and the salt goes away. So keep us in mind for your next outdoor living project. Thanks.